Want to find the hottest Etsy trends before everyone else? Imagine knowing exactly what's selling and creating products that people are already searching for. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that using Alura, one of the best Etsy tools out there. Now, if you ever struggle to figure out what actually sells on Etsy, this video is going to be a game changer. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to uncover trending products, validate demand, and use that data to make smarter business decisions so you could stop guessing and start profiting. So make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to dive in. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to show you a strategy that I use all the time that helps me get more visibility, helps me rank my products, and helps me make more sales on Etsy. And this is going to be so easy that you're going to be like, why? I have not used this before. So make sure to grab my referral link if you don't have an Alura account. I will leave it right below this video. So make sure to use it. And the first thing you want to do is log into your account or create an account if you don't have one. Now, once you are inside the account, you're going to go to research and you're going to click on the first one, keywords. Now, these are trending keywords. It's going to give you up to 1,000 keywords. And how you're going to be using this is that you're going to be looking at what's actually trending at the moment. And are any of these ideas relevant to the products and services that I already sell? So that's how you want to use it. So one stood out to me when I was looking at this earlier. This one here, the sky's a turkey ideas. This particular keyword went viral. It has 60,500 monthly searches. In the last 3 months, it has spiked 140,000%. And competition is crazy, 190 people only. And look at how many sales it has incurred, 313,893 sales. And most likely these are from the month of November because this thing here, this Guys to Turkey Ideas, in case you don't know what it is basically a printable that you buy for little ones. And it most likely teachers are buying these and like moms for like Thanksgiving Day, etc. It's such an easy idea that anyone could do, that you could duplicate, that you can make different variations. And if I was doing this idea, what I would have done is I would have created at least 10 different products of the same product, but 10 different variations. And I would have used these keywords over and over and over so I could get found. What's great about this, let's say that you wanted to go with this idea. If you click here, it's going to show you when it went viral. So it started going viral in October. So this is good to play next year too if you are in this particular niche where you sell craft supplies for teachers or printables for teachers or parents. This is a really great way to kind of come in here and see, okay, maybe next year this will go viral again, right? So in October, it started going viral, 27,000. And then as you can see, look at the jump. And like even right now, it's a lot more. It just probably hasn't updated in Alura yet. It has here, but not down here. So as you can see, it took off November. And then we haven't gotten the report for December yet, which is fine. But this is how it tells you, like, this is trending, obviously, October, November. It makes total sense. So this is something that if you were to do it now, you probably wouldn't make sales because Thanksgiving is already over. You might get a few sales here and there, but nothing crazy like if you would have done it in October. And what you would do is, let's say this is an idea that you want to do next year, and you come back in October and you see that's trending. This is what you would do. You will go in here, you will click here on search volume, and this will organize the highest to the lowest. So if I click on it again, it will tell me all the ones that have the highest search volume. And it gives you all the data here. So you can see it gives you the actual score for this keyword. It's a really great score. It gives you the search volume, the competition, and the sales. And what I would do is I would take this main keyword and I will make it my focus keyword. I will add that to my page title, which is like your title. I will add this to my meta description. And then I will add these additional keywords as well and optimize my listing fully because that's one of the criteria to rank on Etsy. But look at how many keywords you have here. You have a total of potentially 24 keywords that you could use. Obviously, we could only use 13 keywords at a time. Sometimes it's going to be less if the keyword is long. However, what you could do is do, like I said earlier, do different variations of the product. So that way, if you have more products out there, more people have more options as well. And you could capitalize on all of these keywords. The second thing that I would do is that I would go on the back end and I will run XE ads. I would take this listing. You don't have to do XE ads for all of your listings in your store. I don't know if you know this, but you could choose some listings that you want to run ads. If a keyword is trending, you definitely want to use the actual ads, because that will give you a boost and it will keep showing your ads to these people that are actually searching. So we got 60,000 people, 60,000 over here, 60,000 over here looking for this product. We want to take advantage of that. That's more eyeballs. When you do that, you will have a domino effect. You will get so much. You can potentially go viral. You can get a lot of traffic to your store. But this is the key. You could get the traffic, but that doesn't mean you will make the sales, because you definitely want to make sure that you have a really great product and you have a really great photo, right? Those two are a must have. If you have a crappy photo, the product doesn't look good, people are not going to click, regardless if you're showing up right in the front of them. So make sure that you have a good product, that people, when they see it, they will want to click on it. That's definitely going to help you get more sales. And then you will also want to make sure that in your listing description, you write a really good engaging listing description. Now, if you need help, let's say that you're like stuck, you're like, I don't know how to fully optimize my listing description. I highly recommend for you to get my XE Edge AI toolkit. These are over 6,000, I believe right now, the current moment, 6,282 AI prompts to fully optimize your store. And you get all of that just for $27. So if you're interested, comment the word AI below and I will respond with a link so you could check out everything that you get if you're interested in getting it. But I absolutely recommend it for you. It's going to help you with optimization, your titles, your descriptions, and much more, like your email and much more. So make sure to check it out. But either way, using this particular tool to find those trending keywords, adding those keywords to your product is gonna give you a leg up. Let me show you another example. So let's say I go back to the list, I'm looking in here and I see birthday gifts for Capricorn. Right now it's the Capricorn season. So it makes sense that there's 1,600 monthly people searching for this, 90,000 increase, right, in the last 3 months. That means it's trending. That's why it's trending. We are in the Capricorn season, so this will be a good keyword. Competition is only 13,000. And look how many people are buying gifts for anyone that's Capricorn. This is a great opportunity. If you sell products that you know will make a good gift, this is a keyword that I would use for this month. So what I would do is I would click on this one and I would see what other keywords can I use. So this keyword kind of took off in November, and then like December probably is taking off now. So you want to use that momentum. And what I would do is like, okay, let me see what keywords are in here. Obviously, let's say that you sell candles. I wouldn't use Capricorn jewelry. It's not relevant. So only pick the ones that are relevant. Like this one would be a good one. This one, because it says candle. These are the ones that I would use, and I would continue looking, obviously, of all the rest of the keywords. And again, you would use the same strategy that I just gave you. You would pick the one with the highest search volume as your focus keyword. You would use the additional keywords, obviously, in your description as well as in your actual tags, because you want to use 13 of them in total. And then you will run an ad. You would take this product and run ads on it. Even if your budget is very, very low right now, you could just do $1 a day. So you can make sure that your product is showing up all the time in front of people. And because people are searching, they're more likely to click on your product because there's a huge demand for this product at the current moment. But this is how you could use the Alura and their trending keywords, this particular section here that we're talking about on the research, to find keywords, to capitalize on them. And I highly recommend doing this every single month. Just go in here. It doesn't take a lot to just go in here and say, okay, what is trending? What is something that I could use? Obviously, make sure it's not trademark. There's people out there breaking the rules. You don't want to do that. So just make sure you find stuff that you could use that's not trademark, and just kind of go in here and see, okay, is there anything else in here that's relevant to what I sell that I could jump in right now and use, and go with that. But this is how you use keyword research tool from Alura and combine it with finding trending keywords and combine it with Etsy ads to get more exposure, more visibility, but more importantly, the bottom line, which is making more money.
And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to find Etsy trends using Alura so you can create products that people are already searching for. No more guessing, just smart, data-driven decisions. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Etsy growth tips. And let me know in the comments, what trend are you most excited to try out? Success on Etsy is all about working smarter and not harder. So go take action, and I will see you in the next video.